The Grange, a rare collection of two distinguished residences, crafted for those who appreciate a timeless design, exceptional quality and seamless living. Positioned in the heart of Sovereign Hills, The Grange offers something incredibly rare. Two individually designed homes, each with their own identity, united by a commitment of quality and craftsmanship. Inspired by the surrounding coastal landscape, whether you're drawn to the elevated privacy and parking options at the Lamonnerie or the prominent corner position with tree-lined outlook at the Boltwood, each residence has been designed with comfort and quality in mind. The Grange brings together lifestyle, location and quality in one boutique collection. I'm Ayla Bailey. Call me today before someone else does.